is his first time kind of like a restaurant, so we just had some pizza right on the list, and of course there's Shasta. He's kind of on the table. He's good. I did set him up for success. I did